Imagine a world where machines think, learn, and even make decisions. How does this vision of the future make you feel? In our quest to understand and replicate the intricacies of the human mind, we have given birth to a new era, the age of artificial intelligence. This isn't some distant future, but rather a reality that we are actively shaping. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is a field in computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that would usually require human intelligence. This is not just about designing complex algorithms, but also about teaching machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. Over the past few decades, AI has evolved from a niche scientific discipline into a transformative technology. From voice-powered personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, to more sophisticated technologies like autonomous vehicles and machine learning algorithms that can predict disease patterns, AI is slowly but surely becoming an integral part of our daily lives. In healthcare, AI is being harnessed to improve diagnosis and treatment. Machine learning algorithms can sift through vast amounts of data, identifying patterns that humans might miss, thus helping to detect diseases early and accurately. In transportation, self-driving cars are no longer a sci-fi fantasy, but a tangible reality. By using AI, these vehicles can navigate complex road networks, make split-second decisions, and potentially usher in a new era of safer, more efficient travel. In the realm of education, AI is revolutionizing learning by providing personalized, adaptive learning experiences. It's enabling educators to deliver tailored content that meets individual learning styles and paces, thus enhancing the overall learning experience. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, it's clear that the possibilities are boundless, but with great power comes great responsibility. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, it's important to understand the potential benefits and drawbacks of AI in our society. Does the prospect of AI replacing human labor concern you? Or does the idea of AI enhancing human capabilities excite you? In either case, it's clear that artificial intelligence, or AI, has the potential to reshape our world in dramatic ways. There's an undeniable allure to AI. It promises to boost efficiency, offering up a future where machines tirelessly work around the clock, free from human error and limitations. Think of the intricate surgeries made possible with AI-driven precision, or the transformative potential of self-driving cars, bringing mobility to those who might otherwise be unable to travel. In the realm of education, personalized learning experiences tailored by AI can adapt to each student's pace, offering a revolution in tailored education. But let's not forget about AI's ability to tackle complex problems that humans find challenging. Climate modeling, predicting seismic events, even the search for extraterrestrial life, all these and more could be revolutionized by AI, bringing us closer to understanding our universe. Yet every coin has two sides, and the AI coin is no exception. For all its potential benefits, AI also raises serious concerns. Job displacement is a stark reality. When machines become capable of performing tasks previously done by humans, what happens to those jobs? And more importantly, what happens to the people who held them? Privacy issues, too, are a significant concern. As AI systems become more integrated into our lives, they gather an unprecedented amount of data about us. Who has access to this data, and how is it used? What if this information falls into the wrong hands or is used irresponsibly? Another concern lies in the potential bias of AI algorithms. Algorithms are not inherently unbiased. They reflect the biases of those who create and train them. This could perpetuate and even exacerbate existing social inequalities, a prospect we must be vigilant against. The impact of AI is not black and white. It's a complex interplay of benefits and challenges that we need to navigate carefully. As we continue to develop and integrate AI into our society, we must strive to maximize its potential benefits while addressing its possible drawbacks. This is the double-edged sword of AI. How do we ensure AI serves humanity and not the other way around? This question leads us to the ethical conundrum surrounding artificial intelligence. As we continue to integrate AI into our daily lives, we must grapple with a multitude of ethical concerns. One of these concerns is transparency. AI systems, particularly those that employ machine learning, can often operate as a black box, with their decision-making processes obscured from human understanding. This lack of transparency can lead to unforeseen consequences, particularly when AI is used in critical fields such as healthcare or criminal justice. To ensure that AI systems are serving us effectively and ethically, We need to strive for greater clarity in how these systems operate and make decisions. Accountability is another significant ethical concern. If an AI system makes a mistake, who is to blame? The developers of the AI, the users, or the AI itself? These questions challenge our traditional notions of responsibility and liability, and demand that we establish new frameworks for accountability in the age of AI. Then there's the issue of inclusivity. AI systems are often trained on datasets that reflect the biases of the societies in which they are created. This can lead to AI systems that perpetuate and even amplify these biases, leading to discriminatory outcomes. To prevent this, we need to ensure that AI development is inclusive and representative, taking into account a wide range of perspectives and experiences. Let's not forget the ethical dilemmas posed by autonomous systems and algorithmic decision-making. As AI systems grow more sophisticated, they are increasingly capable of making decisions without human oversight. This raises questions about the extent to which we are willing to cede control to machines, and how we can ensure that these autonomous systems align with our own ethical values. The ethical implications of AI are as complex as the technology itself, requiring us to establish robust frameworks for accountability and transparency. This will ensure that as we move forward into an increasingly AI-driven world, we do so in a way that upholds our commitment to ethical principles and the well-being of all humanity. What does a future dominated by AI look like? As we gaze into the crystal ball of the future, we see artificial intelligence becoming an integral part of our economies. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, from automating mundane tasks to making complex decisions. It could foster unprecedented economic growth, driving innovation and productivity. Yet, this transition is not without its challenges. Job displacement due to automation is a pressing concern that needs careful management and forward-thinking policies. And what about governance structures? AI could lend a helping hand in managing the sprawling bureaucracies of our modern societies. By rapidly processing heaps of data, AI could streamline decision-making processes, making them more efficient and less prone to human error. But we must bear in mind the importance of maintaining human oversight and ensuring that these systems are transparent and accountable. Now let's take a moment to ponder a rather controversial question. Could AI surpass human intelligence? Some predict that we are on the cusp of creating machines that outstrip our own cognitive abilities. This concept, often referred to as superintelligence, could have profound implications for human relationships and society at large. In an age of superintelligence, will machines become our collaborators, our competitors, or even our overlords? As we navigate this uncharted territory, we must grapple with questions about our own identity, agency, and the very nature of intelligence itself. We must also consider the ethical implications of creating beings that might possess consciousness or experience suffering. Yet, despite these uncertainties, one thing is clear. The future of AI is a journey of co-creation. It's a path that we must tread together, as a global community. It's about crafting a narrative of AI that is inclusive, human-centric, and geared towards the common good. As we hurtle towards a future intertwined with AI, we must strive to harness its power for the collective well-being of humanity, ensuring that it remains a tool for progress, not oppression.